Today is January 8th, 2011. This is my new cockatiel. Her name is Goober. She is very, very, very heavily pearl. As you can see, she's got a really, really good pearl pattern. She's kind of quiet right now. She was hanging upside down and trilling and doing all kinds of crazy shit earlier. But she is being quarantined from my other cockatiel right now. So her name is Goober. And just to show you the difference between a really heavy pearl and a normal pearl, I'm going to go get my other cockatiel. This is Skippy. Step up. Hi, Skippy. Hi, Skippy. Hi, Skippy Skips. As you can see, Skippy is a cinnamon pearl. Her pearling isn't nearly as prominent as Goober's. But she's my Skippy nonetheless, and I love her. Alright, well those are my two cockatiels, and hopefully in about a month or so I can put Goober and Skippy together and they could be good birdie friends. Alrighty, and bye-bye.